Productions. 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 Noun. Definition: the action of making or manufacturing from components or raw materials, or the process of being so manufactured. Example: banning the production of chemical weapons. Noun. Definition: the provision of something for consideration, inspection, or use. Example: members are entitled to a discount on production of their membership card. Noun. Definition: the process of or management involved in making a film, play, or record. Example: the film was still in production.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.